The following is a video on creating substitution and overrides in Workday. You can actually create these right here in Workday instead of emailing the registrar's team. In order to create a substitution or an override, you'll want to go to the student's profile. Go over to the academic section of the profile, click onto that, and then you'll navigate to the tab that says Academic Progress. Once you're on the progress screen, you can scroll down to the requirement that you need to make a note about. For this particular student, we are going to submit a waiver for their Historical Foundations core. The student has decided that they're going to waive their Knowledge and Understanding Historical Foundations requirement. So if I hover over this, you'll see that the rectangle pops up right next to it. I'll click on the rectangle, and it will show me academic requirement. I'll hover over that, and then I'll scroll over to create override. That brings me to this pane where you have to select the override type. There's several different override types, and all of these are explained in detail in the Workday Student SharePoint site. It talks about what situations you would use each of these in, and specifically how to do each of them in Workday. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll simply choose Waive Requirement. So in order to do that, you'd go ahead and you just click into Waive Requirement. Then click OK. And it's going to say Override Reason. You can leave that blank. And then for comments, for here I'll just write Knowledge and Understanding Core Waiver. After that, you can go ahead and click Submit. When you click Submit, that begins a business process, which means that you're sending this off to someone to do something. So in this particular case, it gets sent to the registrar's team where they will evaluate their request. And then if it's approved, they will go ahead and they will apply it to the student's record. That means that the next time you or the student goes in to look at their academic progress, this will no longer show up as a requirement that needs to be satisfied. Way easier, no email, and it can save time for everybody. This concludes our video on creating